In this video, I'll guide you through how to edit your Indeed company page so your profile accurately reflects your business and makes a strong impression on candidates. Keeping your company page up to date is important because it's often the first place job seekers go to learn who you are, what you do, and whether they might want to work with you. First, make sure you're signed into your Indeed employer account. You'll need access to the employer side of Indeed, not a job seeker account, in order to manage and edit a company page. If you're part of a larger team, you should also confirm that your account has the right level of permissions to edit company information. If you're not sure, you may need to check with whoever manages your Indeed access internally. Once you're logged in, head to your company page from the employer account. Usually you can find a link to your company page from your employer dashboard. Look for your company's name or any section labeled something like company page or company profile. Clicking that will open the public-facing page that job seekers see, but with options for you to manage it as an employer. When you're on your company page, look for the option that lets you make changes. Click Edit Company Profile. This is the main control center for your company page content. It may open a new view or a series of editable fields where you can adjust your information. Take a moment to scroll through so you understand all the sections available to you, such as basic details, description, and visual elements. Now you can update your company details. This usually includes things like your company name as you want it displayed, your industry, location, website, and sometimes the size of your organization. Make sure everything is accurate and consistent with what appears on your website and other platforms. Even small inconsistencies like different spellings or old addresses can confuse candidates or make your company look less polished. Next, review and refine your company description. This is your opportunity to tell your story. Aim for a clear, concise overview of what your company does, who you serve, and what sets you apart. Highlight your mission, your values, and the kind of culture employees can expect. Think from a candidate's perspective, what would they want to know before deciding whether to apply? Avoid overly technical language or internal jargon that might not make sense to someone new to your organization. You can also update your images. This might include your company logo, a cover image, or additional photos that showcase your workplace. Use high quality, professional looking images that are properly sized according to Indeed's recommendations. Choose visuals that accurately represent your environment and your people, such as team photos, office spaces, or images from company events. Before uploading, make sure you have the rights to use the images and that they don't reveal any sensitive information in the background. As you make changes, it's a good idea to pause and quickly review everything for spelling, clarity, and tone. Read your description out loud to check that it flows naturally and feels welcoming and professional. Consistency matters, so keep your messaging aligned with what appears on your main website and other social or hiring platforms. When you're satisfied with all your updates, save the changes. Look for a save or submit button and click it to apply everything you've edited. After saving, revisit your live company page to confirm that your updates appear correctly and look the way you intended. If something doesn't look right, you can always go back into the Edit Company Profile section, adjust the content, and save again. By following these steps, you'll keep your Indeed company page accurate, attractive, and informative, helping you stand out to the right candidates and support your overall hiring efforts.